Hello, my name is Melissa Shank on behalf of Expert Village. Today we're talking about Facebook and how to use it. So in this segment, let's talk about another very interesting application. It's groups. We'll discuss how to join a group, what a group is, and of course, how to make your own group and invite some other people to it. To the left of your screen, once again, under Applications and beneath Photos, click on Groups. This page, of course, is going to show you all of the different groups. Some of the groups recently joined by your friends, your recently updated groups. Now have a look at the top of the screen there. My Groups, of course, is going to give you a listing of all of the groups that you are a part of. Whether you want to get out of that group, it will allow you to do that as well. You can browse other groups. You can see very popular groups. Of course, popular groups will have a lot of people in it, or you yourself can create a new group and invite new people. One final thing on the page is, let's say you want to search for a group. Of course, you would do that to the right of your screen and just type in a search item. Well, we're nearing the end. We've got one more clip to go. So once you've joined perhaps a couple of different groups, started your own, one final application that we're going to take a look at is the Marketplace and also events.